olha a explosão. Quando ela bate com a bunda no chão. Quando ela mexe com a bunda no chão. Quando ela joga com a bunda no chão. Quando ela sarra e o bumbum no chão.
Hello smart people, Miss Ace here. This video is for 8th grade students. Today I'm going to walk you through the calendar project. I will read the instruction for you, I will read the rubric, how you will be graded on this project, and what is the requirement that you need to have on this project. This project is due on October 27, 2023, which is this year. Okay, so here's the instruction. Students will create equations for each day of the month. They can use any operations, which mean add, subtract, multiply, divide, and exponent if needed. They also must solve each problem in the box, which has the date matching with their solution. Each day should have each box of the month. That is each day. Each box of the month should have a problem, solution, and color decorations. You can decorate the whole calendar as one single big drawing and coloring, or decorate each day. So to sum up, basically you're gonna create an equation that you will create equations that the answer matching with each day of the month. Okay, then you will write that equation on the calendar with the solution and the answer matching with the date. Then you can color each box, or you can decorate the whole calendar as one single big pictures with all the coloring on that one, or you can decorate each box separately. So here's the rubric. Problems, 30 problems, 30 points. With the solutions, another 30 points. Inside decorations, so that mean that you do decoration, either one single big pictures or individual each box. And then outside decoration, which I'm talking about the edges of the calendar. You see there's a box with calendar inside, and then there's the white part around the edges. So you need to color those two, unless your background theme is the white background, then you don't have to color it. Which also includes the thing say October 2023. That row need to be coloring as well. Okay. Then I give you the total points in the last box. Now on this calendar, I require you to have 10 adding and subtracting equations, 10 of multiplying and dividing equations, 10 of two-step equations, and 1 equation of your choice. Okay, so if you do a well decoration, you will earn 15 bonus points, 15 extra credit for your project. So some of you ask me, oh, do I give any extra credit? Here's the time for you to get extra credit. Okay, this is due on October 27, 2023, which means that you have 20 to 4 weeks to work on this one. Okay, and every week I try to find time to check in with you to make sure if you have any questions or we progress along to complete the project. Okay, so here's how your calendar look like. The white part that I'm talking about is the edges of this calendar, and also 2023 October. This row needs to be colored. Probably also Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If you have a theme, color those as well. Okay. Really important right now, put in your name and period. So just in case if you leave this one behind, I know who to give this to. Alright, now we're going to go to the scratch paper. So most of your work going to be on scratch paper, and then we transfer this to the calendar. Okay, so excuse me. So this one, like 1, 2, 3, 4 is matching with the date. So basically this is the date. This is where you do your scratch work. Okay, and this will be transferred into the calendar. This will be in calendar when we're done. Okay, not the first column. The second column, whatever work on second column is the one you're gonna write on the calendar. So here's the step. First, you're gonna draw a box. Okay. For this box, you're gonna put in the date. So this box represents date number 1. Okay. I ask you 10 equation of addition or subtraction. So let's say do addition first. 1 plus. We want to do addition first. So 1 plus a number of your choice. You can choose any number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's up to you. Pick any number. Let's say if I pick 7. Okay, so 1 plus 7, which is 8. Okay, so step 1, create an equation by draw the box, put in the date, choose a number you want to add on top of that number, and then work it out. 1 plus 7 is 8. Okay, that's it. Now, to write an equation, the box that you draw earlier is going to be x. X plus 7 equal to 8. One more time, box turn into x, and then we solve for x. So to solve for x, you're going to subtract 7 to both sides. So 7 minus 7 cancel each other out. Bring down the x. 8 minus 7, which is 1. That's it. You just get the answer matching with the date of the month. Okay. If you need more time, go ahead, pause the video, rewatch that part, make sure you understand it. I'm going to give you one more example. Okay. Please do not write 7. You're going to pick the number of your choice. Okay. So step 1, draw a box. Write down the date. Okay. We need 5 additions, so we're going to add something of your choice. Pick a number you want to add in. Let's say if I pick 13. 12 plus 13 is, 2 plus 13 is 15. Right? 2 plus 13 is 15. Then you're going to go to this side. The 2, the box will turn into x plus 13 equal to 15. And then we solve for x. Subtract 13 to both sides. X equal to 2. Right? 15 minus 13 is 2. And 13 and 13 cancel each other out. So we just have the answer is 2, matching with the date of the month. That's it. Okay. One more example. Okay, if you need one more example, if you done with this one, go ahead, fast forward, skip this example. So the box, inside the box, you're gonna put in the date, which is 3. A number of your choice. What do you want to add on top of the 3? I would say now this time I want to make it something easy, 1. So that will be 3 plus 1, which is 4. Okay, so your box will turn into x plus 1 equal to 4. And then subtract 4 to both sides. Subtract 1 to both sides, my bad. To isolate the x, you minus 1 to both sides. So x equal to 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. That's it. So your answer is 3, matching with the date of the month. Okay. You guys pause the video, do number 4 and 5 with addition as well. Okay. Complete 4 and 5 with the addition method. Okay. Alright, number 6. I'm going to give you the example for subtraction. So same idea, draw a box, okay, but this time you will subtract a number of your choice. What do you want to subtract? I say subtract 2. Okay, so in the box would be 6 because that's the date. 6 minus 2, which is 4. So your equation will be x minus 2 equal to 4. That's it. Solve for x. Add 2 to both sides. So x equal to 6. That's it. So your answer matching with the date of the month. Okay. One more example, then I will let you finish the next 3 problems. So in the box it's going to be 7. Okay. Minus a number of your choice. Let's say minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4, right? It's not a good choice. I should pick something else. It makes it look different with the first one, but it's fine. I don't want to erase it right now because I may confuse some of you. Okay, so box turned into x minus 3 equal to 4. So we're going to solve for x. So add 3 to both sides. X equal to 7. Because 4 plus 3 is 7. So this date matching with the date of the month. That's it. Okay. Alright, pause this video. Get work on your calendar 1 through 5 to make it convenient. It should be addition for 1 through 5. And then 6 through 10 is going to be a subtraction. Okay, it's going to be a subtraction. But it's your choice. Because I say 10 of addition or subtraction. If you want to do all addition, you can. If you want to do all subtraction, you can. Okay. You guys pause the video, work on those. When you're ready, come back to the next example. Alright, number 11. So number 11 through 15, I want you to do is multiplication. Okay, we're going to do something about multiplication. Oh, 15 is in the back. Okay, so 11. First, draw a box. Okay, put in 11. Okay, a number of your choice, multiply 11 with some number. I would say 2. I like to multiply the small number. It's easier to work with. Okay, so 11 times 2 is 22. And that's it. So your equation is 2. Box turned into x, 2x equal to 22. Okay, so to solve for x, we're going to do opposite operation. You're going to divide 2 to both sides. X equal to 11. That's it. Okay, the answer matching with the date of the month. What do I do first? Draw a box. What in the box? The date, which is 12. Okay, since it's multiplication, choose a number of your choice. You can multiply 5, 6, 7, 8. I would like to pick the small number. It's easier to work with. 3 times 12 is 36. Okay, then you go over here. That will be 3. The box will turn into x, 3x equal to 36. Okay, then we solve for x. We're going to divide 3 to both sides. 36 divided by 3, which is 12. That's it. The date matching with the answer matching with the dates in the month. Okay, so this is easy, so I'm going to leave it to you. 13, 14, 15, do the multiplication. For some of you, if you get the all 20 question done, 20 problem done, please make sure that only the second columns, this one right here, when you do equation, you solve it, and the answer, this is the part you're going to write on the calendar. If you're not sure what to do, go ahead and work on the scratch paper, and stuff is right there. I can check in with you tomorrow to clear up any questions. Okay, our goal for today is problem 1 through 20. So 16, 17, 18, 19, we're going to do division. Okay, to give you a head up, this one is prime number, which means it can only divide by 1 or itself. This is also a prime number, which means you can either divide by 1 or 17. Okay. Alright. First, draw a box. What do I do in the box? You're going to put in the date, 16. Okay. Now, this time we're going to do division. So, technically, you can choose any number, but for a good answer, you should choose the number that's divisible by 16. Or the number can go into 16. So 16 can divide by 2, which is 8. 16 can divide by 4, which is 4. 16 can divide by 8, which is 2. And 16 can divide by 16 itself, which is 1. So you have a choice of 2, 4, 8, and 16. I will choose 2. Okay, 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay. Go back, the box will be x over 2 equal to 8. And then you solve for x. To get rid of fraction, you multiply 2 to both sides. 2 and 2 cancel each other out. X equal to 16, which is matching with the date of the month. Okay. One more time. You're going to draw a box. Put in the date like usual. Then you choose a number that 17 can divide it by. Since it's prime number, you only have 2 options, either 1 or 17. Okay, but it's weird to put something divided by 1 because it's going to be itself. Okay, so I'm going to pick 17. 17 divided by 17, which is 1. So the box will turn into x divided by 17 equal to 1. Okay, so to get rid of fraction, you're going to multiply 17 to both sides. 17 and 17 cancel each other out, so x equal to 1 times 17 is 17. I know there's a bunch of 17 there. Okay. Because of the redundant of 17, I might confuse you. If you think that you're confused, pause the video and go back and watch this one more time. Okay. Alright. So 18, 19, 20 is your choice. Divisible of 18 can be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Of your choice, pick one of these numbers to divide 18 by. 19, you only have 1 on 19. 20, you have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and then 20. So pick one of these to divide 20 by. Alright, so that's it for today. Guys, pause the video. My goal is you go up to 20. If you are done with this one, you want to go in advance, you can think about what can you do to decorate your calendar. You can draw on that one now. If you're good at drawing, you want to get everything done, draw on it, color it, and then we're going to write the equation on top of the picture after we're done with everything. Alright everyone, have a good day. Please stand on task. I will check in with you tomorrow. I expect to see 20 questions done. Okay. Alright, bye guys.